Alright, boys and girls, presumably you can hear me over the engine noise. What I'm doing right now is just waiting for it to warm up, but you should probably already be able to hear this. It's that slight, God, I don't even know how to describe it. It's almost like a knock, but not really, so. You can hear what I'm talking about, you get an idea. It's a hard noise to describe. What I'm gonna do is just squeeze the clutch in. Still definitely there with the clutch squeezed in. Back left side of the engine. Let me turn the mic toward it, I guess. You can hear that. What the heck is that? If I can make it echo. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not. I mean, hopefully you'll be able to hear that. It sounds like it's way behind the engine, actually. It sounds like it's almost right here. So that's gonna be, I didn't want to do a long video for this one. Alright, coming up this week, I don't know if I'm going to get a video out or not. So, if I don't hold it against me, besides this one, of course. Give you a close look at my Protex. If I don't get one out, my apologies in advance, but of course, Thanksgiving coming up, Black Friday, I'm sure I'll be at work all day. Have not heard anything back from the police department yet. Still watching my email for that, so. Fingers crossed for that, guys. If you want to send a little good luck my way. But I don't know that I'm going to get a video out this week, so if I don't, I apologize in advance. If I do, sweet. I don't know exactly what I'm going to cover. I may use some of the footage I already have. I don't know. But if anybody knows what that sound is, take a stab at it, give me a guess. It sounds like, almost like where the throttle bodies are. Or definitely on that back side. Could be a bent valve, I guess. I don't know. Again, I'm not going to know till I really get in there, and it's going to be hard to diagnose with the airbox on. I might be able to pull the fairings, get a screwdriver, stethoscope, something, and start prodding around till I can figure out where it's actually coming from. But if you have any clue in the meantime, leave it in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, this is my 954. I try to do a lot of videos on the 954, a lot of other whatever crap videos. So do hit that subscribe button in the bottom right over there, and check out some of the old videos or other videos. It finally warmed up enough to get the bike out. I'm not actually even going to mount the camera. I just want to go for a ride and just enjoy it. So I don't have a whole long time. I got maybe 45 minutes I can ride. If y'all know what that is, let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. If you head over to the Facebook page, you can always comment on there, and we'll get a discussion going on what that sound is. But that's it for now, guys. You be safe, and I will see you in the next video.